What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing more Subaru things. Let me show you. I already have stuff in the car. Yeah. I got another access port. No, I didn't. I got a short throw shifter in that box, rear shifter bushings, and front shifter bushings. We're gonna do all that in this video. It's gonna be cool. I need to just put that here. I probably will forget it, drive off, and this will probably fall off. Actually, I'll just leave it in my pocket. There's not much more I really need to say about anything other than let's just get to work. It's actually very simple for the shifter. The shifter bushings might be a bit more of a pain. Whatever. We're installing short throw shifter first, and then we're gonna install bushings. The only thing I'm slightly unhappy about is that it says there's gonna be snow tomorrow, and I don't want to work into the cold because that sucks. So I'm going to install the shifter first. I may lift the car up today. I'm not quite sure. I might not. I might just be lazy and play video games all day. Okay, let's get to work because my camera's about to die. To get the shifter out of the box first. Good thing I already opened it. So yeah, you can kind of see they're a bit different. Is this shit? I have a narrow barrel, don't I? No. How could this happen? Oh no. Oh well, maybe we can make this work. Alright, it's a new snowy day. If you watched the video where I installed the front lip, then you'll know that at one point at the end of April, it was snowing. Now when this is uploaded, it's probably around May-ish. It could even be June, but I doubt it. So yeah, this is fun. It's not even the good kind of snow either. It's like the really crappy, like instantly turns into ice and water kind of snow. Get out of here. Now it kind of looks like a monster sort of tried to crawl on my car and slipped off the snow. Anyway, we have the WRX here. We are going to install the shifter bushings, hopefully. First I have to figure out where they are, so let's go do that. Okay, so we've got this old bushing out, finally, and then we have these two-piece bushing, which will definitely be much easier to work with than this single-piece bushing. And then we also have the rear bushing here. What I've ended up doing here is removing that metal plate so this rubber piece can move around, and I can move this shift linkage around because it's not normally like this, but it makes it much easier to work with. So let's go ahead, install these front bushings, and now we can move on to the rear bushings, and then we can just bolt everything in. Well, that was easy. Now we have this for the rear bushing. Alright, I wouldn't consider that terribly difficult either. Now, let's go ahead and put everything back together. Okay, so like an idiot, I cross-threaded one of the bolts that holds in the rear bushing. But other than that, it seems like the bushing is tight in there, so that's pretty much all I need. And the front bushing is fine as well, so I'm going to try out this shifter and see what it feels like. because I'm genuinely curious if this even did anything at all. Clutch in. Whoa. How's reverse feel? What? No way. No way. It's actually so much nicer to go into gears. There is no way. Wow, okay. It feels really precise to go into gears. I was kind of guessing before which gear I was in. There have been a couple times where I've accidentally shifted from 4th to 3rd instead of 4th to 5th. With all the old stuff. Good thing I wasn't at a rev range that could have caused damage, but wow, this is definitely gonna make this car way nicer to drive. I just need to fix that cross-threaded bolt. But yeah, so I'm going to bring the car down to the ground, back to earth, and then I may take it on a drive, but I probably won't film it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead, give a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for new videos every week. I know they're vlogs, and I should be uploading more than once a week for vlogs, but it takes time to install parts and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Goodbye.